Welcome chat. Today we're going to be doing a little tutorial on how to build your sodium pack for a Gen 2 Prius. So first you're going to want to start with your empty pack once you remove your cells. Cells are over here. So one way to help you out here, imagine this part here is going to be right here, and then the closer to the back of the battery is going to have this little tab here. So since we know that, I'll stand this up. So the wiring harness, your wiring harness is going to be on this side, and the interlock is going to come out on this side. So knowing that, we know that our special blade here with terminals on both sides has to be the fifth module up from the bottom. Now, going back to when it's laid down, so since the harness is going to be on this side, we know that our terminals here have to be facing this way. So we'll start with module 1. Okay, make sure it's lined up. Module 2. Just flip it. Module 3. And then module 4. So once you have 4 modules here, then you'll go ahead and grab your special blade, put that there, and then you can just continue on. Make sure all the terminals are facing the same way. This is what your pack should look like once you're done. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then your 5th one here is going to be the special blade, and then the rest all the way up. Once you get up there, you'll put your top on. Make sure everything's as aligned as possible. Then you will screw down your bolts here. And there you have it. That is your Gen 2 Prius sodium pack.